going on and on forever. Them haters probably wonder when I'm gon' stop, never. Most of it's been good, but I seen some bad weather. And niggas who want Chanel wouldn't even give me an umbrella. But I ain't tripping, I made $1 million on my own. May come to your surprise, but I pictured it all along. When I was 16, finna get put out my home. Now the man make the money, my nigga, my money grown. And I can do what I want. Went from being hated on to niggas trying to go the same road I made it on. Ain't no love lost, but wasn't no love shown. So now when niggas call, I just don't pick up the phone. I'm breaking down the weed, put it in the bomb. Blow 100 racks, put it in the song. Party every weekend, hardly ever home. Don't get a chance to see me face to face, so you have to talk about me when I'm gone. Stay away from the fake or phony niggas who can't support their role. So keep hating me from the crowd. Everybody wants to be the star of the show. The drinks pulled up, the weeds rolled up, and all my jewelry ice age, the piece froze up. I only like to see the hoes who keep their nose up. Have any nigga in the world, but she chose us. I remember them same hoes that didn't notice us. Get you to buy a drink, then it's over, cuz. Be back around the time that she sober up, but shit ain't been the same since the limousine showed up. The best moments of my life, never peeled this much plastic off a polo in my life. Rarely on the scene, smoking with your wife. Plus anything I want, I can afford to buy it twice. It's the way we know. Wake up in the morning like, where did all of my paper go? Roll some more weed and get medicated. Every day is a holiday, so we celebrate it. Stay away from the fake or phony niggas who can't support their role. So keep hating me from the crowd. Everybody wants to be the star of the show.